Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's about 11:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 8th of April, and we're looking at the S&P 500 15-minute chart, and we are finally running up into an area just shy of where we closed. So if you look at this, perfect gap fill to this very first start right there. This would be an amazing run if we can get this series of higher highs and higher lows, a little bit of chop right to this area, and we're now testing that again. So this is fantastic. Nice move above the highs of the day thus far, but again still working on this gap fill. So with that in mind, it looks like investors are still holding up, but now it's just above 118. So 118 mark right through here, good area of support and resistance. 117.60, even this 117.53 area. Not too bad to have that hold up. On a higher time frame, you'll see a lower shadow that makes a lot of sense. This is a daily chart, and on a 60-minute chart, we did test again this 50 MA on the rising 50 on the 60-minute chart here. So that's definitely notable. The volume print on that was nothing to sneeze at either, so we need to be careful of that, but now we are running back up. I'm looking for a higher swing low at the 118 mark now, and then a move up into the 119 area, stalling at 118.50 first. So if I can get this, if we can get this move back up into the 118.50 mark, it seems like a long way away when you're looking intraday right through here, but there's a lot of support. Once broken on a very high volume print like that, that's exactly where this line goes, and this becomes an area. So this 118.40, 50, 60 area, that's where I'd like to see a move up, make it a little bit easier to believe we'd have a higher swing low out of that and stay up in this high base. So far so good. Things are shaping up nicely. Let's take a look and see if it's real by looking at the VIX first. I'm going to see it dropping, of course, and there it is. Nice break now down below this area. Oops, let me get rid of that. So nice high here, good breakout, support broken, and I want to see this move again now nicely into a perfect gap fill that would match. So if we can get a move into this area, that's fantastic. The trend is also dropping nicely after being in the neutral range, so that wasn't overly bearish even at the open. And I'd like to see a series of lower highs and lower lows as we continue into the afternoon. Then trend Q, however, is finally back from outer space in the 0.3 range, again not confirming anything to the sell side this morning, and he's also rising. Still pretty good market breadth, volume flowing into stocks on the rise, but we do have a rise also. It's a divergence between the trend Q and the price. Again, if we can consolidate here and chop sideways, that'd be fine, but if this continues to head higher, I'm going to look at the longs in another way. So use these market internals carefully as a guide. It would have kept us out of trouble not wanting to go short this morning. Lots of good stuff. So I hope that helps everybody. Hope you're having a great trading day, and look forward to D7's video at the close.